Back again, Natorspacks. I'm Nator. This is a box of legendary cuts, SP. Hopefully we can pull something decent here. Alright. Alright, again you got 8 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. Here's your first pack. Hopefully it's something good. Alright. First patch. Got a jersey patch. Mike Schmidt. You got that, Clive?
Nice.
It's a nice looking card.
Nice. Put that one to the side.
Okay. And some base.
What a base.
Again, if you're interested in base, just let us know. We have plenty of it here. We're looking for that cut.
Oh, what do we got there?
We got a Yogi Berra patch. 2 packs, 2 patches. How about that, Clive? You like that?
This could be a patch a pack.
It's not bad.
And blow our cards.
Doing a little bit better than Shakes did on the previous box.
Not bad. Signs of hope.
Alright. That should be it for the rest of it, huh? Looking at a lot of base from here on out.
Stop.
Base.
Got a cut.
Legendary Materials cuts. Carlton Fisk.
That's a nice cut.
Right there, you got 2 patches there.
Ooh, 2. Not bad.
Not bad. Number to 125.
Nice. I could have used a stripe in there, though, to be honest with you.
We've gotten all one color patches so far, but
it's alright.
3 patches, 4 packs, not so bad. It's decent.
So bad.
Struggling here a little bit. Alright. A lot of base. Got a Jimmy Fox, number to 550. Legendary lineage.
Not bad.
Decent. Short print, low number card. Pretty much base. We'll put it to the side anyway.
High-end base.
High-end base. Decent base.
High-end base.
Alright. Grover Cleveland.
Grover.
Put that in our President stack. Number to 550. Got Babe Ruth base there. Not bad. Maybe worth mentioning.
I'd like to see an auto come out of one of these boxes.
Sure, sure. It's not going to be this pack. A lot of base. A lot of base. Alright. More base. We still have a few packs left here. I don't know. Maybe we'll pull something.
Well, we got an extra patch card so far. So.
Can't really complain.
Yeah.
Maybe this is a hot box. I don't know. Maybe the cut's in here. 2 packs left. I'm expecting base, but I'll take a surprise. Got something thick in here. It's probably a decoy.
Yep.
They're trying to fool you, I think. Yeah, it's a decoy.
Ah. You had me going there, Nato.
This is it. Last pack. I'm expecting base, but hoping for something good.
Base.
Just base. Gonna have to give this last pack wings. A little disappointed. Overall, I'm very happy with the box.
Let's go over the hits.
Take a look at the hits right here. There's your Carlton Fisk cut patch. Yogi Berra. Very, very happy with this card. This is an excellent pull. Mike Schmidt right out of the first pack. Patch. And your high-end base right here, Jimmy Fox, number to 550. There you go. And that's it.